Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to make $15,000 per month on YouTube. Yes, you heard that right. It is possible to earn a six-figure income just by creating YouTube videos if you know what you're doing. Just picture it, an extra 15 grand rolling into your account every month. So whether you want to start a YouTube channel as a side hustle, or even replace your 9-to-5 with full-time YouTube earnings, this video will show you exactly how to do it. I'll provide actionable tips on how to grow your channel and optimize it to maximize your YouTube ad revenue. The potential for substantial earnings is incredible. It's thrilling, isn't it? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear blueprint to start earning $15,000 or more per month. Excited? Let's get started. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. The first step is choosing a niche that has high earning potential. Some lucrative broad niches include finance, gaming, tech reviews, family vlogs, how-tos, unboxing videos, and more. Do keyword research to ensure there is decent search volume and demand for videos in your selected niche. You can use tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to analyze competition levels, search volumes, and other metrics to validate your niche. The goal is to pick a niche that gets lots of consistent search traffic and has sponsored video opportunities. Step 2. Set up your channel. Once you've picked your winning niche, set up your YouTube channel properly. Come up with a good channel name and design an eye-catching logo. Make sure to thoroughly complete your channel about page with links to all your social profiles. Arrange your channel playlists clearly and use sections correctly. The goal is to make your channel look polished, professional, and trusting. Having an established channel in place signals to YouTube that you mean business. It may help boost how quickly and widely your future videos get recommended by YouTube's algorithm. Step 3. Get high-quality gear. One of the biggest factors that will affect how quickly you get views and subscribers is your video quality. Invest in a decent camera like a Canon M50 and good lighting equipment right from the start. Getting clean, professional-looking footage will make your videos stand out from amateur creators. The audio quality also matters. So get a good external microphone like a Rode Video Mic Go. Spend time learning how to use your gear properly as well. If you're creating animated or text-based videos, ensure you use paid tools like Camtasia or Premiere Pro for a polished look. Put effort into writing good scripts and creating attractive custom graphics too. Step 4. Set up a regular upload schedule. One key reason top YouTubers earn so much is because they are consistent with their video output. The more content you have, the faster you can build an audience. This audience growth directly impacts your earnings potential. Aim to set a regular schedule where you post videos 2-3x a week at first. Mondays and Thursdays at 3 p.m. tend to be good times to upload. Test to see which days' times get you the most views quickly. Schedule videos out weeks in advance and promote the next video at the end of each one. Make it easy for viewers to know when they can expect your next videos. Step 5. Optimize your videos. Merely uploading a video is not enough. You need to optimize every aspect of it to perform well and get pushed by YouTube's algorithm. Here are some key optimization tips. Attention-grabbing thumbnails using highly clickable images and text. Strong SEO titles with target keywords. Detailed video descriptions with chapter timestamps. Correct tags and playlists. Closed captioning for accessibility. Interactive end screens and info cards. There are fantastic plugins you can use to simplify video optimization, like TubeBuddy as well. Install them to create ranking-friendly videos quicker. Step 6. Promote aggressively. While YouTube will start suggesting your videos organically over time, you can expedite the process through promotion. Develop an active social media presence and share all videos across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, etc. Run paid YouTube video ads to convert viewers outside your existing audience. Reach out to others in your niche for shoutouts and collaborations. Promote your best performing videos heavily to keep the momentum going. Aim to drive as many external views as possible to your videos to signal relevancy to the algorithm. More momentum means faster long-term organic growth. Step 7. Monetize intelligently. Once you've built an audience and are getting thousands of views per video, it's time to monetize. Turn on YouTube monetization in your Creator Studio settings. Place ads smartly within your videos. Mid-rolls after 1-2 mins are profitable, but sponsored videos, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products are where the big money is. Contact relevant brands in your niche to sponsor specific videos positioned around products they offer. You can easily charge $500 plus for a sponsored video once you have 50,000 plus subscribers. Affiliate links allow you to earn commissions passively from featured products too. Step 8. Analyze and improve. As your channel grows, constantly analyze which video formats, topics, and styles are performing best. Double down on those to maximize your earnings. Stay on top of YouTube algorithm changes and leverage new beneficial features early like YouTube Shorts. Be flexible and willing to tweak your content strategy based on feedback and changing trends. Your channel stats inside YouTube Studio provide invaluable data to make smart optimization decisions. Install analytics software like Google Analytics for deeper insights as well. Bonus tips to take your income higher. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, I wanted to share some pro tips to scale your earnings beyond $15,000 per month. Implement even a few of these, and you'll be well on your way to $20,000 plus per month soon. Tip 1. Broaden your horizons. While it's smart to start niche, the more topics and video formats you expand into, the faster your channel grows. Move into adjacent niches by creating videos that appeal to multiple interests simultaneously. For example, a gaming channel can do anime reviews, a cooking channel can post healthy recipes, and so on. Feel free to experiment with multiple video styles too: vlogs, live streams, shorts, etc. More content variety keeps viewers engaged for longer and signals authority to the algorithm. Tip 2. Collaborate and guest post leveraging. Other creators for cross-promotion is hugely powerful to tap into new audiences fast. Set up collab videos and shout-out partnerships with aligned channels with engaged subscribers. Even having established YouTubers guest post on your channel can create a surge in new viewers. Be creative in proposing collabs that offer mutual value. Genuine connections, not just growth hacks, will take you farther. Tip 3. Think global from day one. While it may be tempting to focus locally at first, take advantage of YouTube's worldwide reach from the start. Research which countries have the most ad revenue potential and target those specifically. Optimizing titles, descriptions for international metadata, and adding multilingual subtitles can expand your viewership exponentially. This directly amplifies your earning possibilities over time. Tip 4. Diversify into courses memberships. YouTube ad revenue has limits per viewer. To maximize income from your most engaged fans, create paid premium content offerings. Develop online video courses expanding on your most popular video topics that fans can buy access to. Exclusive member-only areas with bonus content support are lucrative as well. These digital products have almost 100% profit margins since videos are easy to reproduce at scale. Tip 5. Hire help strategically. Balancing all the major channel responsibilities from ideation to promotion can get overwhelming fast as a solo creator. Know which tasks to outsource so you can focus on creating great content. Hiring a video editor, assistant animator, or graphics designer to handle time-intensive production work can be wise investments. Freelancers are affordable, especially overseas. Outsource chores you aren't great at so you can play to your strengths. This lifts huge burdens so you can scale your income faster. So there you have it, a complete step-by-step blueprint to earn $15,000 per month with a monetized YouTube channel. I know it may seem intimidating as a beginner, but every top YouTuber started small once too. If you stay consistent, keep optimizing, and use proven methods to grow your channel, you can definitely achieve a handsome six-figure annual income over time. So what are you waiting for? Start brainstorming video ideas and invest time into launching your own YouTube channel today. Your future millionaire status self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on how to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.